All right, we got some pahulus here. Oh, Eli is already making his way up, so I should probably make my way to my child. I have my shoes on still, not wet. That's how good I am. And my child is walking up the waterfall. He just took off. He's doing his thing.
I saw that. I didn't know if that was okay or not.
He didn't ask. He just went.
He's doing pretty good. He's doing what I was doing.
That's not so much my concern as when he slips.
Yeah.
Eli!
You have to go with the shoes?
I guess so.
Yeah. I'd wear shoes I didn't care about. I'd wear them. The shoes I have are something you can run in.
Alright. I gotta put the camera down so I can get to him a little faster. Alright, so my shoes are officially wet because I had to catch my child, who's being very brave, who knows no fear.
It's a natural.
So he just climbed up this whole thing right here, all by himself. And he's going even further. I'm sure his mom's gonna love it. Oh, and we already got an owie. You're okay? What happened? Oh yeah, I see it. Oh, it's okay. Here, watch. Look, no blood. No blood. Okay, hold on. Hold on. You gotta stand. Whoa! I got you, bud. I got you. Oh, I'm getting so wet. Well, we gotta climb. You can't cry. You gotta be brave, okay? Ready? Okay. Okay. You ready to be brave? Okay. All right, Bean. Tell us what you did. Tell camera. You did what?
I climbed up the waterfall when I wasn't scared.
Yeah. Brian's gonna go get the girls. And we've come all the way this way. All right, with a little help, we made it down.
Old Superman, young Superman.
Emma slipped and fell and hit her bum. Eli did good until he slipped. You guys saw that. Hey, what happened? Why didn't you come up?
Did these two just wander up themselves?
Yeah.
Really?
Well, Brian's girls went up there. He followed after, so I had to go catch him. That's why my shoes are all wet.
Brian and his girls up there now?
They may have just went up and caught the falls and walked around.
It feels good, this water.
Thank you, sir. No, you got to leave your shoes on
You got caught
in case of the pokey rocks. I don't think you're allowed to go in there. Haley! Haley, why didn't you come help?
Why did I do that?
Was that fun? Give me 5. You weren't acting like it was fun.
Made it!
Give mommy 5.
High five! Yeah, you made it! I think I want to climb it again.
Oh, really? Eli, did you climb that? Did you climb it? What? Tell camera. Did you climb up high? No. Hold on, tell camera what happened. Here, what happened? Did you get scared? Yeah. Did you slip? Yeah. Do you want to do it again? Is it too high? That's okay. We'll play down here. Emma, what you doing? Oh, good. Look, your sisters are brave.
I went all the way up there on that rock.
Look, she just has flip-flops on.
So?
And you got shoes.
It's because they are numb when they come out of the water.
Oh. David, what are you doing? Did you come out? Yeah. No. No.